when you are putting together your paper, you're going to have that thesis statement that is going to be that guiding force up at the top. And then you're going to have body paragraphs. Okay, your body paragraph is going to begin with a topic sentence, and that topic sentence will have the topic. That is the overall topic that you're looking at for your paper. You've got that topic, and then you follow it with a focus. Now you make sure that the focus aligns with the parts in your thesis, okay? So we've got that alignment that's happening with your thesis. Then you're going to be filling in your body paragraphs, and you're going to be doing them a number of different ways. You are going to use borrowed information in every body paragraph, and one of the ways some of you are going to do that, and most of it needs to be paraphrased, by the way. This is you taking information from your sources and putting it in your own words. Okay, you are going to just give me paraphrased material. You're going to make sure that it's all in your own words. That is changing, by the way, word and word order to paraphrase, word and word order. And then at the end, you're going to give me a parenthetical citation from that source. This is the way some of your body paragraphs are going to look. Another way in which these body paragraphs can be developed is that you're going to use borrowed information, but partway through, you are going to do a direct quote. You need to give me a parenthetical citation after that direct quote, even if the whole entire paragraph is from the same source, okay? If it is Smith here and Smith here, I'm wanting two parenthetical citations. What you're saying to me is the direct quote is from this source, and the rest of the information in this body paragraph is from the source as well. Now you can mix it up. Of course, you can have Smith for the quote, and then you can have Jones for this information. You actually could have Jones, Smith, and Jones. What you have to do is put a parenthetical citation after the borrowed information. So what you're saying to me is all the information after Smith and before the end of the paragraph is from Jones. So I've given credit for it. Now you guys, when you start a new paragraph, you need to re-establish your source, okay? So with every body paragraph, I will have new citations that you're showing to me. Sometimes, some of you might be tempted to just, I don't want to go wrong here. I'm going to put Jones after every sentence to make sure. I don't want to see Jones, 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 Jones. What you do at the very end is saying everything in this paragraph is from Jones. So I'm putting here at the very end, okay? Now, what of course happens is these sources will then lead me to the works cited page. I need your sources to be academic, so you make sure that they are reliable. What we are finding are that they have current dates, that they have been peer reviewed, that the author has some credentials that make him a reliable source, and make sure that you use them. Now, of course, the order for these is the author's last name is your first option. And so that's why I put Smith and Jones in here, okay? But of course, if you don't have that, then the next option is the title, and you put that in quotation marks, okay? And you capitalize the main words. And if you don't have that, then you use the name of the site and you italicize the name of the site. Now you guys, the name of the site does not include edu, okay? Or org, none of that. You just find the name of the site, and that's what you put inside the parenthetical citation, which will then lead me to the very first element that is on the works cited page.